In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in ClickUp. So if you're finding yourself needing to clean up your workspace environment or simply remove one that you no longer use, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in by first going to clickup.com. Make sure to log in using your credentials. If you don't already have your info handy, it's a good idea to have it ready to avoid any interruptions along the way. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your ClickUp dashboard, where you can manage your tasks, projects, and, more importantly for today, your workspaces. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you will find the Spaces section. From this location, you can select the specific workspace that you're planning to delete. Make sure to choose wisely, because removing a workspace is a permanent action that cannot be undone, so it might be worth double checking to ensure that you have selected the correct workspace intended for deletion. With the workspace selected, the next thing you'll want to do is access the space settings. You can typically find this option by hovering over the workspace name or clicking on it to reveal a drop-down or settings icon. The space settings are where you can manage various options related to your workspace, including the crucial task of deletion. Within the space settings, you'll notice an option labeled Delete. Click on this option. ClickUp may prompt you with a confirmation window to make sure you're absolutely certain about this decision. This is a critical step since, as mentioned earlier, deleting a workspace permanently removes all its data. So take a moment here. Consider whether all the information in this workspace is no longer needed, and proceed cautiously. After you've confirmed your intent, you'll need to click on the Delete button once more to finalize your action. ClickUp will process this request, and the workspace will be deleted from your account. Once this action is complete, the workspace will no longer appear in your list of spaces, freeing up your dashboard and helping you maintain a streamlined, organized workspace environment. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in ClickUp. Remember, workspace management is a key aspect of keeping your projects organized and efficient. Making sure to declutter and remove unnecessary workspaces can significantly enhance your productivity. If you find this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from a quick workspace cleanup in ClickUp.